Having a bit of trouble with Rocket League not launching and giving you the LS0013 error on your PC? No sweat. Today, I'm here to walk you through fixing that pesky issue. Let's jump right into it, shall we? Solution 1. Run Epic Games Launcher with admin privileges. Before anything else, make sure the Epic Games Launcher is completely closed. To do this, click on the system tray icon. Then right-click on Epic Games Launcher icon and select Exit, just like before. Now, locate the Epic Games Launcher shortcut on your desktop. After that, right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator from the menu. Click Yes to grant permission. Head to your library and see if the error has vanished. If not, close and reopen the launcher, then try launching Rocket League again. Solution 2. Delete Epic Games web caches. First up, locate the system tray icon. Then give it a right click on the Epic Games Launcher icon and choose Exit. Now, let's find the search icon and type in Run. After that, hit Enter to open it up. Type in %localappdata% and press Enter. Boom! File Explorer is now open. Navigate to the Epic Games Launcher folder. Open up the save folder. From here, delete the web cache folder. Finally, give your computer a reboot. After it powers back on, check if the issue is resolved. Solution 3. Verifying and repairing the game. Fire up the Epic Games Launcher, then switch over to the Library tab. Next, below the Rocket League poster, click on the 3-dot icon and select Manage from the menu. Now hit Verify. Watch as the launcher works its magic, verifying and repairing any corrupted files. Once it's done, give your computer a restart. After it boots back up, you should be good to go with Rocket League error-free. And that's a wrap. You've successfully tackled the issue, and you should now be able to play the game without any problems. If you found this video helpful, then smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.